In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Vimeo video using Google Chrome. We're going to keep things simple and walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own computer. Before we start, make sure you're using the Chrome browser since the method I'm about to show you relies on Chrome's built-in tools. First, open Chrome and go to the Vimeo video you want to download. Let the page load completely and, if possible, wait a few seconds so the video starts playing smoothly. This helps ensure that Chrome has actually requested the video file, which we'll need to access in a moment. Next, right-click anywhere on the page that is not directly on the video controls. From the menu that appears, choose Inspect. This will open Chrome's developer tools, usually on the right or bottom side of your screen. It might look a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll only touch what we need. In the Developer Tools panel, click on the tab labeled Network. If you don't see any entries yet, that's normal. To start capturing the video request, you may need to reload the page. Click the Reload button in Chrome and make sure the video starts playing again. You should now see a list of network requests appearing in the panel. To make it easier to find the video file, look for a filter bar just under the Network tab. Click on Media, or type in a common video format like MP4 in the filter box. As the video plays, watch the list for a file that looks like a video stream, often with a larger size and a type such as video or media. Once you've identified the correct entry, click on it. A new section will open, usually on the right side, with detailed information. Look for the Request URL field. This is the direct link to the video file. Carefully highlight and copy this URL. Now open a new tab in Chrome and paste that URL into the address bar. Press Enter, and the video should start loading directly in the browser. From here, right-click on the video and select Save Video As. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, and confirm the download. After the download completes, check the folder you selected and play the file to make sure everything looks and sounds good. That's all you need to download a Vimeo video on Chrome using only your browser tools.